This is Ron Cowgill with Mighty House, and this is the Building in Illinois segment. And you can see we've gotten some more work done. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. So we've got the roof cut on there. We've got Rich's favorite wall sheathing product, the Zip, on there. And we're starting to set the windows, and I just want to kind of show you what was going on here with these windows. You can see that they are wrapped on the inside, where they're flashed before the window goes in, and then down. And a unique thing that we're doing here is we're putting a whole skirting on the bottom, so that piece that goes across the sill goes and extends down all the way to the ground and over the foundation. And I wanted to do that because this landscaper likes to plant things right against the house, and I wanted to make sure that we're going to have some protection there. And as you can see over here, they just keep putting things right against the house. Doesn't matter what we say. We're only the builders. So anyway, you can see we've got the grace all the way across through here. There's a door that is set, and they've got it set on the outside, and it's not flashed yet. So there's the original piece of flashing that is like this one here. You can see that extending out here. We'll put another piece over this nailing flange and extend it out onto this sheathing surface, and then that will properly flash it. It will go around the top also and all the way around. And then you can see over here we've got another window set, but all these openings are wrapped, ready to go. You don't just set the window in the opening, you need to flash it like that, so any water that gets back there runs down, hits that sill, and then can run out over the surface and onto the ground. Keeps that water out of the house. So for now, that's it, and we'll talk to you soon. Again, little additional item for this. Here's, I walked around the side, noticed the guys already had this window flashed. So you've got your window set, the sides go on, and then that piece overlaps the sides. The sides come down and overlap the bottom, and then that flashing tape goes all the way around the window so that now it's sealed properly. Any water that gets on here will run down. It can't get behind here, but if for some reason it does, it's flashed behind there, and then there's just different layers. And then this piece is overlapping this piece. As Rich likes to say, you never want to tuck your raincoat into your rain boots. Your feet tend to get wet.